Hey everyone, I'm Grant and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on my Kubota GR2120 diesel lawn tractor. I picked this up earlier this year and it has really transformed taking care of my property, and I've really enjoyed owning this tractor. Now I did pick it up used and it has some quirks and stuff that I need to fix on it. However, it's been fully functional this entire summer and has worked flawlessly. That being said, this is currently set up as a side discharge, and here's what I mean. I've got a video clip. Now that side discharge has actually worked really well for me. When I moved on my property a little over 2 years ago, there was a lot of the land that was overgrown and I didn't have a good way of clearing it out. I cleared out a lot of my land over the summer, but now that it's fall, I want to take care of all the leaves. I ordered and it has been open because I knew it was going to take me a while to do this, but I did order the mulching kit for my 54-inch deck on my Kubota GR2120. And I also ordered a set of mulching blades from Oregon. They are Gator G6 blades. I'll put the part number and everything somewhere over here on the screen. I'm gonna move the camera and figure out how to take the mower deck off of this, because I haven't done this before, and basically get this kit installed and then use it and see how it works. So I'm gonna get to it. You saw me release the front of the deck. On both sides on the back, you have these two pins that you pull that go into this hole here. Now, we have to remove the drive shaft supplying power to the deck, and on mine is a 11mm bolt. So we will quickly undo that. Okay. There we go. So you want to take the bolt all the way out because it acts as a locking pin on these splines here. With the mower deck out from underneath of the GR2120, we're now going to open up the kit from Kubota to convert this from a side discharge to a mulching setup. See what all is included. Okay, so that piece with some instructions. It's actually a really nice piece. And, oh wow. All right. That's it. First, we're going to remove the three 30mm nuts. Then we need to move this bar here. This is the side discharge bar. Once that has been removed, we're then going to undo these two bolts here. And that's when the molded piece of plastic from Kubota comes in. It slides into here, blocking this off, and then we will be installing the mulching blades, and then it's just putting this all back together. Headphone users, beware. So, taking these off in order. This is the one thing I need to double check. Here it is. Yep, that's the exact same size. So it will go back on. Perfect. Okay, I did order the correct one. And that is something that needs to be noted. There are two sizes of these blades where the center hole is a different size, and it's dependent on the serial number on your deck. So if you're interested in doing this, go to Kubota's website to verify that's the correct size. So let's move on to the next one. I didn't like that impact. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Trying to keep all of this in order. Nice. 1, 2, 3. There's a corresponding nut underneath this bolt and this bolt. I'm going to see if I can just do it this way. Oh yeah, ease. So we're going to hold onto this, and this is a 14 millimeter for those wanting to follow along. And now we just need to remove side discharge. That is a 12. So push that down so I get some leverage, and there we go. Would be a little bit easier if I were to flip this back the other way around, but it's kind of easier just to feel it. There it goes. Okay. Something to make my life easier, I'm going to reinstall the hardware on this piece, and I'll put all of these pieces in a plastic bag. So if I ever need to convert this back to a side discharge again, I'll have all the parts. There's a bolt here, and a bolt over here. The center bolt takes this M10 nut. The two outside ones are M8s. Finally, we put one bolt here to plug this hole. I just installed these blades upside down. Yeah, that works better. It actually says on the blade, install this side up. Now these only need to be torqued. It's like 15 to 16 foot-pounds, so tight but not cinched. Let's see if we can get the PTO drive shaft reinstalled first. Well, that was easy. Now, trick is oh, that was close. Okay, this is a really great design. I'm not saying it's the easiest thing in the world, but the fact that you can do it by yourself is really nice. I think this goes on like so. And it's installed. So what I'm going to do now is move the camera outside, and we're going to test this and see how it works. This seems to work really well. I need to adjust the deck height because you have to adjust the deck lower for the mulching to work really well. I had the previous height up very high because I was still clearing land, but this was a very easy kit to install. Expensive, but I'm really happy with how it's mulching everything with the Gator G6 blades and everything. So I'm going to get back to mowing and use up the rest of the daylight. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you sometime soon. Goodbye.